Hey guys, we just got done doing a condenser coil, and I'm sure that's going to be a video that will be coming soon. But we just now arrived on a new call where they're saying they have no cooling. This is a tenant house, so let's see what's going on inside. Stay tuned. Knock, knock.
Hi, Mr. Kern.
Hey, let's see what's going on.
Oh, God. Come on. Look, I had it.
I feel a little bit of air.
I know it.
All right, what in the world do you have here? What's it been doing?
And then my fan, I got it. I think it's come from this here. I think that's what it. Okay, I have to go to get real cold or whatever, and then the fan don't never cut off. Don't never cut off.
How do you operate this thing?
Now you don't want no heat, boo. You cut it off now. I don't know if it needs service or what. I have to take it on down like 60 something. Then my light bill $3.95. That man said you need to come get your see this thing needs service.
Okay, I'm gonna check things outside. Okay, I'm gonna walk around.
Okay, boo, just help me.
I will. This is one that in the past I've had to clean the condenser coil on. Here we go. Boot screws. Woo. At least this part needs cleaning. A cap in a box. I don't like to see that. That lets me know somebody else has been working on this. Head pressure's high, but that suction looks low. I'm not sure this is R22. Let's wash this coil and see what happens. Ooh, look at all the grass that's stuck in that. I didn't need any parts for this job except coil cleaner. And one of my favorite places to get parts is We Supply Trades. And if you use my code HVAC10, you get a 10% discount. And like I've said before, they do have some Milwaukee stuff too. You gotta go take a look. I'll leave a link down in the comments. On with the video. There wasn't a whole lot left in that. Looks like I need to get some more. Let me see, I got that on E. Oh, this back here was really dirty. I need some more coil cleaner. Oh my, look at all the dirt coming out. That thing was a lot dirtier than what it looked like. Oh my. When I get done with this, I assure you it's going to be low on refrigerant. Man, this thing was filthy. All right, head pressure is much lower, suction's about the same. I do not know what refrigerant is in this. I know the line coming back is about 60 degrees. That compressor has been changed. So I don't know what's in it. That is the MO99. That's new 22. And that's R22. I do not think that's it. How about 407C? All of these alternate refrigerants kind of got a high subcooling, but we have a piston inside. I think it's doing okay. It's just I'm not real sure what refrigerant's in it. It's not marked. Well guys, I hope you enjoyed that video. The system really needed a cleaning. It was worse than what it looked like. And that capacitor being left like that means that somebody's poaching on my territory. Gotta watch your six sometimes, because, you know, you can lose a customer just as fast as you can get one. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, how about like and subscribe, and I'll catch you on the next one.